How to activate Halifax credit card account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site halifax.com. Once you are in this official page of Halifax, head over to credit cards and then click on activate your card. In this page, you'll find three different options. One is activate your card with our app. The second one is activate your card online, and the next one is other way to activate your card. Here for now, what you want to do is simply tap on activate your card online. Well, it will show you some of the steps to activate your credit card. Now simply tap on activate your credit card. It will lead you to this page. Well, in this section, you have to enter your credit card number and then enter your date of birth. Also enter the expiry date of your credit card. Once you have entered all the information, tap on activate and then your credit card will be activated successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can activate Halifax credit card account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.